Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company at Poplar, South Birmingham. So, little Audi A1 1.6 diesel TDI Sport, 5-door, start-stop in silver, 2014, 96,000 miles. It's just been serviced with a cam belt and a water pump. Lovely little car, nice condition, drives really well. Got some other service history with it, not full but the early history, but it has just been serviced, cam belts and water pump, clearly been looked after, drives very, very well. Nice specification as well, it's got a sat nav. Okay, currently MOT till the 16th of September 2026, £4,995, so 5-door 1.6 diesel manual Sport in silver. It's got front fog lamps, as you can see, it's got daytime running lights built into the headlamps, alloy wheels, got the sun top tint in the windscreen. And that was one of the things that you got on a Sport. I'll show you in a minute, but the parcel shelf's in the boot and it has got rear park sensors. So, alloys and nice tyres. Inside Sport, so it's got the Sport cloth seats with a bit of leather cloth or vinyl cloth in them, in beautiful condition. Electric windows all round, electric mirrors, cruise control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth with music playback and Bluetooth for your phone, multifunction leather steering wheel. All in nice condition. 5-door with electric rear windows. Very, very, very clean throughout. Couple of little marks on the bodywork, but generally 96,000 miles, a nice car that drives very, very well and is really clean. Only one little mark really on the other side of the back bumper on the edge, but really original and nice car. Not stone chips or anything, just some Sahara dust, but if you wash it, it is lovely. So, electric mirrors down there, heated mirrors, all 4 electric windows, automatic headlamps, fitted mats, leather multifunction steering wheel. I think this car, yeah, it's got 2 remote keys, 96,000 miles. As I say, has got satellite navigation, air conditioning, 5-speed manual diesel. Drives very, very, very well. £4,995. Beauty of this car is 99 grams per kilogram, free road tax. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This vehicle will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.